Ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware that when we talk about elections, we are talking of grievances, we are talking about the people reflecting of what they need. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm taking you to Zambia, where one of the biggest opposition leader gave a remarkable speech that personally I feel like he is ready to take over the president's seat, and I feel like from the crowds that he has been drawing is something else, and the future is bright for him. I don't know much about Hichilema, what he is doing right now, but from the looks of things, this gentleman is being loved by popular Zambians because he's trying to address the grievance of the Zambians. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would want to leave you watching one of the clip that we managed to get from his campaigns. So, give us your contributions, your comments, please. They are very, very important to us.
Yeah, but when the government fails to look after its people, those people should remove that government from power. Mushepabunga naba miafwa, nga pali fertilizer naba miafwa, ngesha nchito mwe misepea naba miafwa, nga imoba youth ba artisanal miner naba miafwa, nga pali load shedding wale koma ilapo naba miafwa. Kanshi n'abafilo wayimukwaye nganatela UPND ambutikoya bebele UPND bamana batata ifweta twishire n'amaslogan aya mungulu yo twishire mu kumilondolwela efe twala mibombela ichalo chesu chali salubana ukulubana kwa chalo chesu kuno number 1 ba president akainde Hichilema batuteka 5 years mumutitikisha mwema Zambia ntamwakwata mutende yo basha mfumu tabakwata mutende bashima pepo tabakwata mutende bashima pepo ni everyday ama call out ngabako mukupepesha ba MP bente bakwata mutende umulandu wa cyber laws inena ba makebi tuli ma constitutional lawyer abayishi bobukankala bwa amafunde n'ensambu ky'abantu. So number 1 tulebalirapo kubibwese ky'ensambu mwebekala kyalo ganatila cyber and oppressive laws mwatila kuya bebele cyber and oppressive laws abayona batatamu alikwata ensambu ishakulanda n'ensambu ishakuyirishanya ifwe n'abamakebi limwe alatubikapo.